This is a really, really fun project. The first thing that you're gonna notice is it's all 1.5-inch squares.
Oh boy.
Just because a pattern tells you something does not mean the pattern please show up at your house.
Are you sure? Good idea.
What if you wanted 2.5-inch squares? You could double the size. So I'm gonna make a nice clean, neat edge.
It's like it has that little extended opening.
Nothing moves. So now I'm gonna do a 2-inch strip here, and then I'm gonna use some math skills. I'm gonna go to 4. I'm gonna leave this just like it is.
All right.
I'm gonna turn this, and I'm gonna just cut my 2-inch squares. So instead of taking and then readjusting, making sure it's right, and then I'm just gonna go to my 2 inches, my 4 inches, and the nice part about this is it's so exact.
Wow.
Perfect 2-inch squares.
That was so simple.
Yes.